Hi everybody, it's Mari
Aiden.
Elio.
with the Gomez Way. We are on our way to Key West. It is Thursday morning and we are blessed enough to be able to travel early morning and to be able to trade while we're on the road and while this guy plays his little baseball. Why are we heading to Key West, Aiden?
It's my tournament.
Look at us. It's your tournament. What are you gonna go do?
Play on a turf field.
On a turf field. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How many teams are gonna be there? Do you know?
5.
5 teams. Yeah, I think a little bit more. I think it's more around like 10 or 12 teams for the 7U division. But overall, we're super excited for him, and I'm super
Where is my
excited.
turf shoes?
It's in the back. And I'm excited to be able to complete a couple of trades while I'm on the road. I'm gonna share a bit of information regarding my trades yesterday, and talk about greed. And it's such a huge and important topic when we discuss greed, because we as traders need to remove a number from our head. Many times when we trade, we think, all right, what if I hit $300? What if I hit $400? And then we don't pay attention to the rhythm or to like how the stock is moving when we're attempting to hit a number. And it's really important as traders that when we're in a trade, you remove feelings or numbers from the trade and just focus on the fundamentals and on the basics. Yesterday, I was up $464. And I thought, okay, CPI came in. Yesterday, CPI did come in. And it was below what it was expected, which is good. Because if CPI, which is Consumer Price Index, is expected to be at 2.4, yet we met 2.3, that means that the cost per items are lower. So when they did an overall assessment of how much gas costs, how much groceries are not in the CPI, how much electricity costs, how much a bunch of different items cost, the overall was, I believe, 2.3, and we're estimating 2.4. So because it came in under what the expectation was, the market started to rally, right? And then Trump announced a China deal, one of his many China deals, and the market continued to rally. So when we opened that day, we opened the TQQ leverage ETF, opened at $74, I want to say. And then because of all of this positive news, it continued to rally up to like $77. So again, this is where we have to remove anything other than the fundamentals. I thought, all right, it's $77. I'm up 460. It's gonna continue rallying. It's gonna continue going up, and I kept holding. By the time I looked back, I was down like $700. So that's how quickly you can go from a positive to a negative. Always take profits when you're high. There's a very famous saying that goes, be greedy when people are fearful and be fearful when people are greedy. So stick to that, take your profits, and I'll go ahead and show a quick screenshot of the market yesterday. And then to get ready, I'm going to start building out my training plan come this week or next. And the training plan is going to go in depth into everything, like as I mentioned earlier, or in a previous video, how to set up your indicators, how to set up your brokerage, how to read the different indications, like when it's going up and different candles, and just a bunch of different things. So stay tuned. The training plan, it's going to be like 10 to 11 videos long, but each video is going to go in detail of how to do these things. Obviously, I can't record 10 to 11 videos all in one day, so I'll be recording them slowly and uploading them. I'm gonna name them TP, like training plan, TP1, and then what it means. So indicators. TP2, reading candles or understanding candles, etc. So whenever you want to reference the different training plans, you can go into 1, 2, 3 and keep it like in a method, so you're not jumping all around, and they'll all be loaded into my YouTube with the specific names so you can keep track. I'll upload, or I'm gonna figure out how to do a screen share right now and connect a little bit of yesterday's trading so you can see like where I missed the ball. And like I mentioned in my first video, I'm gonna share a lot of information in regards to how I trade, regardless if I make any earnings or if I lose, because both are very important. It's important to see the wins, just as it's important to see the losses. So stay tuned and I'll upload that. Well, it should be connected to this, so no worries.